Police officer, gentlemen. Bedrong Tigrelam police? Oh. This is actually a spot that I want to stop, but because there was that police officer there and just the way things are right now, we're just gonna drive a little bit further. I don't know. You won't see me take off at least. You might hear it flying around, but he already saw me, so I guess they probably assumed that that's where it came from. And I have to drive back through there. I'll just be careful. That's what we'll do. Mitigate risk. Accept the risk that we take. Be prepared for the consequences of our action. You know, could be good, could be bad. Just around this bend. I think will be a good place. I'm gonna set up from inside this time, I think. Actually, let's just see what the view looks like first before we fly it. So this is pretty cool. Got all this like farmland here. Got that riverbed I could follow. But yeah, I just wish it wasn't so hazy. I'd like to get some good parallax with, you know, the different heights of the mountains and stuff. You can get some really cool shots. I just wish it was a little more clear. And I don't know if you can see it. There's a church, Beta Christian. It's got to be around right here. The screen's so small. Yeah, I think it's like right there. Maybe I'll go fly by that. That's what I'll do. I'll do fly by on that, and then we'll just tool around and have fun. Yeah, and then there's that up there. But the sun is setting, so I'll stay on this side. Because it's Izzy? Yes. Let's go down, so here. Okay, yeah. So Izzy, the light, Biran, Turunu. The light is here, good here. Yeah. Cool. Let's get set up. Trying to set up in here, maybe to draw less attention, but this might be drawing more attention. Looks a little silly. Some big old white dude just halfway in a bajaj in the middle of freaking nowhere. Jay just looked like a tourist. Cool. There we go, should be okay. Okay.
Finish, yeah?
Oh, konjo.
ቆንጆ በጣም
Oh.
Yeah. ላካት እዚህ እኮ ነው ቤተክርስቲያኑን በዛ አካባቢ ቤተክርስቲያን ወደዛ ሄዳ በጣም በዛ
Yeah.
ያለው Yeah.
Now, then around Beit Christian.
Yes.
Come back this way. There, there.
Basil?
Yeah. Over.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice. Very nice. I'm a Ganalo.